Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HOTWAV Pad 8 and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So we've got two different ways of checking the IMEI number, and let's start with the shortest option via the secret code. So we have to open the dialer and enter the code, which is *##06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers attached to this device. Let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way through the settings. So we have to tap on them. Now let's scroll down in this left section to the very bottom to find About Tablet. And now let's scroll down again because we have to localize a special section, which is here, the status information. So let's tap on it. And here we have to scroll down a little. As you can see right here, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.